Here is our pneumatic servo positioning system. First, we prepared the setup. As the second step, we needed to model the plant because a suitable and precise model of a process or system is useful and necessary for designing and implementing different controllers for controlling the system or any further investigation and analysis on system. So, as you can see, Simulink model of the system has prepared. The next step is to validate our modeling. Validation process is of important part of modeling because it can assure that model response and real system response to a unit control signal are the same and identical. So it means the model can be good agent of real system. So now we do the validation process. First, we insert a test control signal in the form of sinusoidal wave to our system, to our model. We run the model and we can see the responses of the model. We can run it again. The yellow graph represents the control signal. The red graph represents piston position. The green graph represents the pressure in chamber 1 and the blue graph represents the pressure in chamber 2. Now we're gonna compare the model response with the real system response. So we run the system. The same test control signal gonna insert to a real system. Also the same simulation time. So now you can see the system responses. As you can see, the model response and the system response are identical and the same. There is great and good and acceptable amount of correspondency in both. So it means that our modeling can be a good agent of real system.